The Lamborghini Revuelto has already earned a reputation as one of the sharpest, most visually striking supercars currently on the market. But for those who want to push the design even further, tuners are offering exciting upgrades, and one of the most notable comes from Taiwanese company Zacoe. They've created a body kit that gives the Revuelto a look reminiscent of a future Lamborghini SVJ. Inspired by stealth fighter jets, this customization takes the already aggressive aesthetic of the Revuelto to the next level. The front of the Revuelto gets a serious upgrade with a new splitter featuring aerodynamic fins, designed to enhance the car's aggressive stance. The redesigned hood integrates stylish vents, which not only look great but also pay homage to Lamborghini's iconic design language. It's clear that Zacoe has taken inspiration from the brand's racing heritage, adding visual drama and performance-oriented features to every angle of the car. Moving to the side profile, Zacoe has added sharper side skirts and larger aero blades behind the front wheels, adding a dynamic visual element. But the real standout feature of this body kit is the roof scoop, mounted on the engine cover. This scoop is not just for show, it enhances the car's aggressive appeal, while also offering functional benefits. The rear of the car is dominated by an adjustable rear spoiler, which is seamlessly integrated with the active rear wing, giving the Revuelto an even more imposing presence from behind. All of these components are crafted from unpainted carbon fiber, ensuring that the car doesn't lose any of its performance potential due to excess weight. Zacoe's kit aims to keep the plug-in hybrid Revuelto lightweight while providing an aesthetic and functional upgrade. While Zacoe claims the body kit reduces lift and increases downforce, it's unclear whether these improvements match the wild aerodynamics of Lamborghini's legendary Aventador SVJ. The Revuelto's underlying powertrain remains untouched by Zacoe's kit. The car still boasts a combined 1,001 horsepower from its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 and 3 electric motors, providing a perfect balance of hybrid power and raw performance. Although Zacoe hasn't revealed pricing for the kit, it's likely that it will be available in individual components, allowing owners to personalize their Revuelto to suit their preferences. Though Zacoe isn't the only tuner offering upgrades for the Revuelto, their design has quickly become a standout. While other tuners like DMC, Kivani, and Mansory have also teased customizations, it's Mansory's build that has come closest to reality. If you're a Revuelto owner looking for a more aggressive and tailored look, Zacoe's SVJ-inspired body kit might just be the answer.